Whether it's tears shed over onions or wasted vegetables, we're here with tips and tricks to help with all your kitchen woes. Sometimes you only need a few pieces of cucumber. To keep the rest of it fresh, stick the top back on with a toothpick. Ladyfingers release a sticky sap that can make everything slimy. When cutting ladyfingers, you can prevent stickiness by applying some lemon to your knife before starting. This will make it easier to chop. Skewer a bunch of mushrooms together and then slice them with ease to save time. If you've ever cut an onion, you've surely shed some tears over it. To prevent excessive crying, while peeling, leave the top stem of the onion intact. Soaking your onions in cold water helps neutralize the eye-stinging compounds. One more trick that works for many is to chew a piece of gum and continue prepping tear-free. Another onion trick is to always use a sharp knife. Blunt knives release more of the teary compounds. Mushrooms can be super muddy. Clean them easily by adding some flour and giving them a toss. Then wash. The dirt sticks to the flour and gets washed off easily. To disinfect fruits and vegetables, soak them in water with a few spoons of vinegar. This will kill harmful bacteria and clear any pesticide residue. Confused whether to go with a knife or a peeler? Ginger root can be easily peeled using just a spoon. If your cutting board has been smelling funky, banish those stains and odors by scrubbing it with some salt and lime. If your chopping board slips and slides, you can keep it steady by placing a wet kitchen towel on the counter below it and then cut with ease. Hope these hacks help make your life in the kitchen a little bit easier. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.